Kinakain mo? Banana. Kain ka banana? Ha? Pingi? Pingi, Michaela? Pingi? Halika dito ah. Yung kakain mo? Ha? Yung kakain mo? Michaela, huwag mo yung tutulak yan. Michaela, what are you eating, baby? Banana? Oh. Ha? Anong kinakain mo? Banana?
Okay, parameters yan. English names ng mga uri ng brush na ginagamit sa cleaning, cooking, grooming, construction, o art. Important note, ang mga sagot ay dapat either one word or two words.
Michaela.
60 seconds. Start.
Michaela.
Para akar.
Saan punta eh?
Brushes na ginagamit sa cleaning, cooking, grooming,
Sayo ka na, dad. Do. Ada.
Ha?
Sayo ka na, dad. Makain mo sa akin.
Ay, dali!
Lakad.
Lakad ang lakad.
Lakad.
May aunt dyan, may aunt. Kisa po tayo eh.
One or two. Una na tayo.
Hairbrush.
Saan punta?
Letter K.
Hindi mo yan sinilas.
Possible choices: keyboard brush or kitchen brush. We go to letter G. Letter G. No answer.
Kila.
No. Green brush. Blue brush. Blue.
Hello. Hello ka mo ah. Hello. Oh, bibigay siya ng banana.
No answer. Dito ko magugulat.
Huwag nilalagay dyan. Dirty. Pulutin mo. Kunin mo. Ay!
Go up to letter H. Wala kang sagot. Kasi nag-sure sa your brush. Will it be hairbrush?
Uy.
Force brush?
Kila!
Yung bantag to.
Brush.
Naupo to.
Yung batak ko lang.
Yan, kung to.
Letter L. No answer. Possible choices: lip brush, black brush, diba?
Oh my gosh.
Or leather brush. Add letter D.
Uy, kala! Ay, Michaela! Saan ginang mo may itin mo? Itin.
Dandy brush, dish brush, dry brush, or dental denture brush. In other words, my dear Jennifer, hindi natin gagawin.
Ala, ni yaris tulak ko, ni yaris tulak ka ba? Dili mo.
Bakit yan? Anong dala mo eh? Dala mo yung remote control.
Yaris yan. Dili pa niya tulak ko ako.
Eh, dilipat niya.
Shrek has assumed the role of the king of Far, Far Away after his reigning monarch died. And then he learns, much to his horror, that he's about to become a father many times over. So with the help of his trusty sidekicks, Donkey and Puss in Boots, Shrek sets off on a long journey to find his young cousin-in-law, Artie, who's also a distant heir to the throne. Meanwhile, Shrek's enemy, Prince Charming, has hatched an evil plan to take Far, Far Away by force by teaming up with all of the world's fairy tale villains. So can Shrek save the day and his sanity? Well, you're going to buy that movie ticket and find out.
It's Shrek the Third. That's it there.